Hi guys, it's Antonio from EasyBlock here to introduce our newest model for the Honda ADV 350. EasyBlock is the wheel lock pre-installed on the bike, which means it's always with you every time you stop. Easy to activate and convenient because you don't have to carry around a disc lock or a chain every time you park around the city. EasyBlock incentivizes you to actually use your security. How many times have you left your bike unprotected just because you were popping into a store for a few minutes and didn't want to bother with putting on a chain or a padlock, where with EasyBlock you don't have to choose between convenience and security because it's really easy to activate, it's always with you and keeps your bike safe at every stop. If you have any questions about these models or others in our range, feel free to contact us through our social media or hitting our website and ask us any question. Have a safe ride from EasyBlock.